Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to use Trello for team management. If you want to improve your workflow and boost collaboration, Trello is a great tool, so let's jump right in. Start by opening your Trello dashboard. If you don't already have a board, create a new one. This will act as your team workspace where you can manage tasks and projects. Next, click Add a List at the top. Lists help categorize your work for team management. You can name your first list something like Team Members. Now, start adding cards under this list one for each team member. Just click Add Card, type in the name, and hit Add. Repeat this for everyone on your team. Once added, click on any card to open the details. Inside, use the description box to note the member's responsibilities, tasks, and role in the project. You can also use it to give feedback on their performance, attitude, and contributions. After writing everything, don't forget to click Save. Then do the same for the rest of your team. This method helps keep everything organized and ensures everyone knows what's expected of them.